These are the last couple of pages. I'm going to talk about the memory page. There's a lot of blank space here because you can put whatever you want. You can write a whole bunch. You can put 10 pictures. You can put a picture and then write about that picture too. So let me show you what I mean. If I click, there's a box here, but I can move it over here. I can make it smaller if I want to. That's up to me. I'm going to write a couple little memories in different boxes. So let me show you what I mean. I'm going to grab this box by clicking on the blue line, drag it over here, and then I'll come down to the corner. See how my cursor changes shape? There. Grab it and resize it. Let me write in a memory. On Halloween, we had a fun parade and everyone was dressed up. It was really fun. So I'm just writing right now. I don't have a picture to put in of this. That's okay. I can change my font. I want to put a highlight to this font. I'll show you what I mean, so that it stands out from those stars in the background. So I'm going to make it, let's make it pink, but then I'm going to highlight the background white so it really shows up. Okay. I can also make it bold. And I like this font. It's really nice. Make it big. Okay. So there's one memory. Maybe I want to write again. So I'm only going to click here and draw a text box. Click. And now I'll write again. What's another really cool memory? We use stickers to make our own constellations. And then when we turn off the lights, the constellations lit up. It was so cool. I can see that I spelled constellations wrong, so I'm going to come over here and right click. Constellations. All right. Okay, let's make it, so highlight it in white. And we'll make it blue, make it bigger, and the font I want. There we go. So you can just keep drawing text boxes and write in memories. Another thing you can do is put in a photo and then write about that photo. So if you have photos somewhere else in the slideshow, you can copy and paste them. Another thing you can do is go into the drive and click on drive. And if your teacher shared a folder with you, click on shared with me, right? If someone else shares something with you, it should be in this folder that says shared with me. And then this is what it looks like for me when I come into shared with me. And I actually just scroll down till I find the one called photos. If your teacher did this, they probably told you what they called the folder. If they didn't share photos with you this way, that is totally fine. But if they did, you're going to find that folder. For me, it's called photos of the class. Double click to open it. And then here are some photos. So this picture here is from Thanksgiving, and I want to put it into my memory page. So I click, and then I'll click insert, and then wait. And then, wow, it's pretty big. I like that actually. But if I want to make it smaller, I can drag here, pull it up like that, and then I can write about it down here if I want to. So I drew a text box and I'm just going to start typing. The teachers ate in the cafeteria with us on Thanksgiving and it was so fun. And now I'll grab this and make it bigger. So there are a couple pages for memories so that you can write, you can put pictures. You can also put pictures to represent things. So I remember that I played a lot of basketball at recess, so I can put a picture of a basketball on here too. So these pages are really yours to explore and have fun with.